So hi everyone, mag-English na po inyong inahan at your service Apamers kay naman tayo mga followers diri nga English at so early this morning nag-earthquake na sad. So before when I was at high school, I was studying theology in my high school life, but that time was not finished because there's some reason. Then I was read the verse about the world is totally plundered and totally waste, but I need to find out that because I forgot. But that verse, if you remember nowadays, because of the look what happened in the world today, it's a lot of calamities, tragedies, like whatever. My English is not really good, but you know. But as you can see, typhoon, earthquake, whatsoever, accident, blah blah blah. This is all stated in the Bible, guys. So at the moment, I'm reading my Bible and I'm studying some of the verses which my friend shared from me. She's in America, so it's so an honored and overwhelming. Even though I encountered a lot of trials, pains, abuse, use or whatever, hardship, but as I always keep telling to my children, we are in this world to face the challenges in life. You need to bear and endure the pain because we are all sinners. And I don't know why they keep blah blah on me as well. I just cried and look at my face, guys. I got one pimple. Might be because my menstruation is almost done. I got, you know, oh my god. So that's all I can share today, and happy weekend. Tomorrow it's Saturday and it's Sabbath, so I hope everybody is doing well and God bless you all, and I'll see you next time.